We are getting ready to start our remote work day today. We're going to show you how the new solar panels perform throughout the workday today. We are currently plugged in since we are mooch docking, and so I've dialed back our battery percentage to 75% so that we don't have them maxed out while we're sitting here plugged in. We've heard that's better for the battery health. So what I'll do is, you can see now we've got enough power coming in to offset the current draw by being plugged in. So it is 8:39 Mountain Time, and we are going to go ahead and go unplug. So right now at 8:46 this morning, we've got 121 watts of solar coming in. Not too bad for this early in the day, so we'll keep checking. I'm ready to go to work. I might take these pillows and put them up under here because I'm old and it's not super ergonomic up here. I'm having a little bit of back pain. So, thinking about some desk options. I have another setup I can do, but I gotta move some stuff, and right now we're moving enough around that I don't want to deal with that. So I also have coffee or water heating for coffee. So kettle is a pretty significant power draw. You can see it's already taking us from 74 earlier, 73, down to 70%. Got about 1,600 watts going out to make coffee, but we are up to 168, 169 watts of solar coming in, and it's 9 a.m. in 4 minutes. So not too bad for this early in the day. Pretty good. The beast. It's a power beast. Well, that's not bad. We have 245 watts of solar coming in at 10 a.m. And we're at 68%. So we're already offsetting. Alright, time to get to work. It's 11:27. We have 327 watts of solar coming in out of a potential of up to 600. And we're sitting at 66%. And so we have Starlinks on. You can see what its draw is right there. We're running 100 to 116 watts. It varies. So off our AC appliances right now, that's all we have drawing down. The refrigerator, it's not too hot, so it's not kicking. And yeah, we don't even have the fans or anything on right now because it's pretty nice. So right now we are actually charging beyond offsetting. So that means we should see, in theory, if we don't plug in a bunch of stuff right now, but we did just make some more coffee. I'm probably going to make another cup of coffee, but in theory, we should see this number start to go up. In between working, I like to come out kind of just wherever we're at. I mean, so here I have like a little path that I walk with the dogs, and I kind of walk around the yard. We're on a little over an acre here, so it's perfect for them to run, play, throw the ball for Marley. I get my steps in, and that's always important. Trying to get back into the habit of moving more. I've gotten a little out of it lately. So I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. It's a pretty nice day. You can see behind me the blue sky, but we do have some clouds in the distance, and I think have a slight chance of maybe some rain a little bit later in the day. A little after 1 p.m. and you can see it's kind of getting, it's like partly cloudy, partly sunny. I don't know, whichever way you want to go. So anyways, let's see how we're doing. Alright, so we're sitting at 66% on the battery power, and we have 423 watts of solar coming in. 422. Oh, timed out. There we go. And so it is technically 1:16 p.m. Mountain, and so we are just floating on power and then some. So you can see outgoing, it varies from like 150 probably up to 200, just depending on what we have on. But yeah, that's awesome. So, and that's with clouds in the sky, so we don't have a perfectly sunny day today. It's time to get back to my little work corner here. I better see what she's barking at. She's getting crazy. You want to come in? Guess I'll go get her. She's just yapping. Let's go bring her in for a little bit. Hey, I'm going this way, dude. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. You gotta leave your ball. Leave ball. Good girl. Watch her go to the garage. Yep, she out. Hey, come on. Get over here. Willie, Marley, come. Come on, Marley. Come on, let's go this way. Come on. Come on. Psych. Come here. Hey. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, hop in. Thank you. It is almost 2 p.m. and we are up to 74%. We've got, a minute ago we had 490 watts of solar coming in. Now we've got a cloud or two moving in, so we've dropped back down under 400, but you guys just saw it. Yeah, it got real cloudy outside and dropped. Yeah. But as soon as that sun comes out, we were just at 495 watts coming in with the sun, super bright at 2 p.m. But we've come up, I think we were at, what was it, 63% earlier? I want to say 63. I'm bad at remembering things like that. So the fact that we're up to 74%, we've come up 11%.
We've come up a lot because I've made so many cups of coffee.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, while you were gone I made another cup of coffee. I'm just finishing it now.
Huh?
So we went way down into the 60s.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's 450 watts now. 468, 470, 73. Yeah, that sun's nice and bright right now. We've had Starlink on all day. Fans running, been making coffee. Haven't charged my laptop yet, but that doesn't take very long. And I should do that now because, oh, there's 484 right now, 486. But yeah, we've come up, I want to say 10-11% since earlier, and we are not plugged in. We've just been sitting here. We have had Starlink on the entire time.
Starlink that we have is a high draw.
Yeah, this one
versus some of the other ones.
498 watts of solar right now.
Is it gonna go over 5?
Yeah, that's awesome.
5.
So that's way more solar than we've had. That's fantastic.
With the booze we are lucky to get a couple hundred watts.
I think I think I mentioned it earlier that we only saw it go over 400 like maybe once in the very beginning with the bifacial.
Yeah.
To like maybe like 415, 450, but we never saw it get up to 500.
Never did it again.
No. And so that's pretty good. So you drop into the 200s occasionally when a real big cloud goes overhead. But that's with clouds. We were not getting that with clouds on the other panel. So I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled. All right, we'll see how it keeps going. I'll break in with any breaking news if I see bigger numbers than 5:15.
Ding, lunchtime's over.
Oh, well, clock back in.
Back in.
All right, 3:15 p.m. check-in. Hard at work. Miss Marley taking a break from outside. My emotional work support dog right here. We've got some clouds have moved in. It's now raining on and off. And I am also charging my MacBook. So this is where we are at currently now. So even with the rain and the clouds, we are still getting 85 watts of solar coming in right now. And we've only dropped to 67%, and that is with the reduced solar and a step up on our output since I am charging my laptop. And not only am I charging my laptop, I'm also powering a second monitor that runs off the power from my laptop. I think it's safe to say that the new solar powers, oh, it feels like solar power. We have the power. No, the new panels are working out great.
The ball is her trigger.
The ball
Yeah.
triggers Marley.
Yeah.
The trigger. Wait up, dogs. Hold on. Back up. So one thing the laps are really good for is they help me like stand up and move my body pretty regularly, where like you see what I'm working in today, like where I'm sitting. And like the reason for that is I don't want to create like the effort it would take for me to create a proper desk with us trying to do work around the space. It's just not, for me, not worth the time investment. So I just do my best to work with what I got. And I'm not a full-time worker, so I'm able to get up and move a little bit more throughout the day, which helps things out. Taking a little break, catching some rays. Feels really nice right now. Clouds are kind of giving way, and so we've got some really good sun coming in right now. I think it's almost 5 o'clock. All right, let's see where we're at now. It is just about 5 o'clock Mountain Time. And we are still sitting, we're at 66%. We have 238 watts of solar coming in at 5 o'clock p.m. We have 250 to 270 going out. These numbers were never like this before. They weren't.
No.
We'd be at like
We had about
80
half.
or 90 right now, I feel like,
We had
yeah.
about half of where we're at.
Yeah.
So adding the one 200 watt panel equated to way more wattage for us than
Oh, yeah.
what we anticipated for sure.
Yeah.
I had high hopes, and it definitely
Is it delivering to the high
delivered
hopes? It's
to
meeting
high
the mark?
hopes. Yeah, I feel like it's delivering.
I
it's
do
going
too.
over 500 watts, and we're like not even wait until we get into like some of the real good summer months.
Like June?
Yeah. It'll be banging.
Oh, yeah. No, this is an awesome swap. I'm super thrilled with it. So is Willie. It is now 6:30, almost. It's 6:24 p.m. And this is where we are ending our day power-wise. So it's close to 6:30. We're still getting 60 watts of solar. And we've since drained down to 57%. But we've had some clouds today, and we've been running everything like you can see here. We just kind of have had everything on. David's watched a little bit of news. But yeah, so that's kind of where we're ending our day. So we really didn't drain down that much. You can see we built up quite a bit back. And now we're actually going to drive and go get dinner. And that's just one more way that we charge up our house batteries. So, all right. We'll see you guys down the road. Bye.